Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on the number line. For the purpose of this video, a number line is a straight line with whole numbers that exist on it. These numbers are equally spaced apart and start at 0, which is placed on the extreme left of the line. The numbers then move to the right and continue on forever. The above diagram shows what is contained in the above description. Number patterns. It is easy to see that many patterns exist on the number line. On the number line above, we see the counting numbers starting at 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. We can start at 1 and skip to every second number to generate the odd numbers. So what that means is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, etc. We can start at 2 and skip to every second number to generate the even numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, etc. We can start at 3 and miss 2 numbers to land on 6. We miss 2 numbers again to land on 9. If we keep doing this, we generate the 3 times tables. What that means is we start at 3. So we start at 3 here, and then you go to 6, because you missed 2 numbers. Then you go to 9, because we missed 2 numbers. Then you go to 12, and you keep going, and that gives you the 3 times tables. Using the above idea, while missing the correct amount of numbers, we can generate any times tables we choose. Skip counting. Skip counting involves starting at a particular number and moving forward a certain number of places. For example, we can start at 4 and keep moving forward 3 places. So for example, if we start at 4, we move forward 3 places to take us to 7. We move forward another 3 places to take us to 10. And we keep doing that. And we keep moving forward as far as we like. We can also skip count backwards. For example, we can start at 10 and keep moving backwards 3 places. So, if we start at 10, then we move backwards 3 places to take us to 7. We keep moving backwards 3 places to take us to 4. And you keep going to take us to 1. So that's going backwards. Another number line. This number line starts at 0 and increases by 10 numbers each time. As an example, we can start at 10 and skip count forward by 10 each time to generate the 10 times tables. So we start at 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, etc. Skip counting can start anywhere on the number line and can go either forward or backwards. Let's look at some examples. For each of the following, write the answer in the spaces provided. Start at 4, so let's pretend we start at the number 4, which is here, that number there, and skip forward by 3s for 5 places. So we're skipping forward by 3s. So we just add 3 to give you 7, add 3 to give you 10, add 3 to give you 13, add another 3 to give you 16, and add another 3 to give you 19. Example 2. Start at 2 and skip forward by 5s for 3 places. So you start at 2, now skip forward by 5. So you add 5, that gives you 7. Add another 5, that gives you 12, and add another 5, and that gives you 17. Example 3, start at 19 and skip backward by 4s for 4 places. So you start at 19. Now skipping backwards by 4s, that goes to 15, so all we do is keep taking 4 away. That's 11, so if we take 15 minus 4 is 11. 11 minus 4 is 7, and 7 minus 4 is 3. And the last one, start at 20 and skip backward by 10s for 2 places. So we start at 20. Now you skip backwards by 10, so you subtract 10. That's 20 minus 10 gives you 10. And 10 minus 10 gives you 0. So there we are. We've seen the number line, how we can skip forwards and backwards, and we can generate many patterns on the number line.